Assalamu alaikum. I'm your science teacher Saira Naeem. Today I am going to take your second lecture. Students, today we are studying food and diet. It is from unit number 5. Student, food is very necessary for our daily life. It helps us in our growth. But it is very necessary to intake proper food. Okay, students, what is proper food? You know, the food which has carbohydrate, minerals, proteins, vitamin. So it is proper food. It is called proper diet. Students, before starting my lecture, I am going to tell you a story. One day a boy named Sam, he was very naughty. His parents going for shopping and they asked him, if you want to have something so you can eat. He asked, okay mom. When his parents gone away, he start eating junk food. You know, junk food means fries, biscuits, chocolates, like this. So he eats a lot of junk food. When his parents come back to home, so he asked them, I'm feeling pain in my abdomen, because he was weeping too much and he was feeling too much pain. His parents take him to the doctor. The doctor said he eat a lot of junk food, that is why his stomach was paining. Student, in this time, Sam realized and he promised to his parents he will not eat a lot of junk food. Okay students, in this story I am going to tell you about the importance of proper food. Student, food is very important. We work, we play, we do lots of work in our daily life. So our food need energy and strength. Food make us grow. Our food must consist of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, milk and eggs. Student, we eat chapati. It is made from wheat. We eat rice. We eat vegetables. Vegetables provide us lots of vitamins. Student, oil and ghee is also necessary. We also eat fruits after eating meal. You must drink milk. Student, here I am going to show you a plate of proper diet. Proper diet consists of vegetables, pulses, cereals and salads. Student, all these things are very important and we must eat in our daily life. Student, in this chapter I want to understand you about the importance of food. I hope you will understand. But some things are also remembering. Chew your food well. Wash your hands well before and after eating. Do not talk with food in your mouth. Students, it is very necessary to eat 4 times a day because you are in growing age. You have to take breakfast, lunch, snack time and dinner. You have to eat 4 times a day, but you don't overeat. Okay, if you overeat, so your stomach was spinning like Sam. Okay, now students, do not waste food. It is also important. Do not eat stale and uncovered food. Avoid eating from roadside stalls. स्टूडेंट, आपने ख़राब आपको खाते हुए इस बात का अंदाज़ा होना चाहिए कि फूड अनकवर्ड तो नहीं था, या आप रोड साइड से ही जो आप ले खाते हैं या आपने बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाना। आप स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू वॉश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर ईटिंग और कुकिंग। डू नॉट eat too much sweets, chocolates, biscuits and ice creams. Student, one thing is also very important that I am going to tell you. When you are eating, so you have peaceful mind. Okay, nowadays when someone's eating, he also watching cartoon. Student, it is very bad habit. Okay, when you are eating, so you have a peaceful mind. Students, it is your home assignment that I am giving you. You make a proper lunch. Okay, in this lunch you cut these things that have proper diet, that you think proper diet, you cut and put in your lunch box. Allah Hafiz student, take care.